Imagine standing by your kitchen window, the sun shining in, and you reach over to snip fresh basil right from your own pot. In just seconds, that sweet, peppery flavor transforms your meal. It is fresh. It is yours. And the best part? Growing it was easier than you think. You do not need a big backyard or fancy tools to enjoy fresh herbs. A simple pot, a sunny spot, and a few minutes a day can give you flavor, fragrance, and even a little joy. Herbs are affordable, low maintenance, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. If you're just getting started, stick with herbs that grow quickly and are resilient. Basil is a favorite great for pasta, pizza, and even salads. Mint grows like crazy and smells amazing. Try thyme, parsley, chives, or oregano too. All of them grow well in pots and can thrive both indoors and outdoors. Herbs need pots with good drainage, meaning make sure there is a hole at the bottom so water can flow out. Plastic, clay, ceramic, any pot works, as long as it is about 6 to 8 inches deep. Use high-quality potting mix, not regular garden soil. Potting mix holds moisture, but still lets roots breathe. Think you need a big space to grow herbs? Not at all. Some of the most productive herb gardens live on tiny balconies, small patios, or even sunny kitchen counters. All you need is light, care, and a bit of love. Do not pack too many herbs into one pot. Give each one a little room to stretch. Plant the roots about 2 inches deep. If you are planting more than one herb per pot, keep the taller ones in the center and let the shorter ones grow around the edge. That way, they all get light. Most herbs like full sun, at least 6 hours a day. A sunny windowsill works great. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry. Do not overdo it. Herbs do not like soggy roots. Feed them with a light liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks for extra strength and flavor. The trick to growing more herbs: snip often. Do not be shy. Use clean scissors to cut the stems just above a leaf pair. This tells the plant to grow 2 new branches, which means more leaves for you. The more you cut, the more it grows. Here is something most people do not know: if you pinch off the flowers before they bloom, your herbs will stay focused on growing leaves. That one simple habit can double your harvest all season long. Choose the right herbs. Use the right pot and soil. Give them sun. Water when dry. Cut to grow more. It is that simple. Even if you have never gardened before, this is a great place to start. You do not need a green thumb, just a pot, a little patience, and a sunny spot. Start small, grow fresh, and enjoy every bite. If you're excited to try this at home, give this video a like and let us know which herb you are planting first.